Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Todoist for your content planning in 2025, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. The first step is to create a new project. Simply click on the plus Add Project button on the left bar. This is where we'll organize all your content ideas. The reason we do this is to keep all your content-related tasks separated from your other duties, ensuring nothing gets lost or overlooked. Next up, we're going to add tasks. Click the plus Add Task button and start typing your content ideas. You can even assign due dates to each task, enabling you to prioritize and schedule your content effectively. This helps us because it provides a clear timeline for your content production, keeping you on track and accountable. Now that we've added tasks, it's time to categorize them. Todoist allows you to use labels and filters. Labels like video, blog, or social media can help you differentiate your tasks, while filters can help you focus on tasks due today or this week. This step matters as it gives you a bird's-eye view of your content strategy, making it easier to spot gaps or overlaps. Let me explain why the next step is crucial. You can set task priorities. By clicking the flag icon, you can select the level of importance for each task. This helps you to focus on high-priority tasks first, thereby streamlining your workflow and increasing productivity. Here's what's happening behind the scenes for the final step. Todoist has a fantastic feature called Todoist Karma. It tracks your task completion and productivity trends over time. The reason we use this is to stay motivated and see how much you've accomplished. So there you have it, a quick guide on how to use Todoist for content planning. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to a more organized, efficient, and effective content strategy. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep planning and creating.